Okay, now we're going to try this all-access model AA2-FS. It's a Rector Seal safety switch. Comes with different heights you can set it at. I set it at the middle level, and let me close it up here. We're going to add water to the coil and see when it trips. Okay, it tripped right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let water drain out the the main drain and see if this resets, because that would turn the AC back on again. Okay, that reset. Okay, let's fill it up again. I want to measure at what height this trips at. Okay, right there. Okay, it's 1.25 inches down from the lip where it tripped this switch, which is great. I think either one of these switches would work fine with this, the AA2FS or this new safety switch, the SS2. All right, if you want to take a look in here, you can see this coil, how it all slopes, this pan slopes all the way to the front and holds very little water. So there's less chance of the coil turbulence of the airflow knocking the water up and in, and it drains out nicely too. And that concludes our analysis of these safety switches.